What up YouTube, J-Dub here, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a quick little video today. It shouldn't take very long, but one thing that I wanted to do since last year was hang a guardian bell or a gremlin bell, whatever you call it. My brother got this for me last year, and I couldn't find a good place to hang it. So I had never put a guardian bell on a bike before, but you know, my brother got it for me, and I just, you know, it's superstition obviously, but you know, you do it just for fun. So anyway, my thing was, where can I hang the bell? Because according to the rules for the bell, you're supposed to hang it as low and as forward of the bike as possible. So I'm going to show you a couple of areas I've seen guys hang them where I ended up hanging mine. And yeah, let's do it. All right, guys. So basically, there's several areas that guys have hung these bells. One of the ones is right here off the brake line. I didn't like that idea. It probably would have been okay. Just something about it it didn't sit right with me. I've seen guys hang it down here off of the battery box hole, but I didn't like that because I didn't know if that would slowly but surely wear out the little plastic nubbies on the battery box door. So I ended up hanging mine right here. I think that worked out really well. Now, I did require a hanger. I didn't even know this was a thing until yesterday. I went to Iron Pony in Columbus, Ohio, and I got some parts and stuff, which I'm going to show you guys later in another video. But basically, I was not aware that they made little hangers or extenders for it. So I was like, oh, I know the perfect place to hang my gremlin bell now if I have that. So I literally bought that yesterday. It was like 13 bucks, I think, or something like that. I mean, a little pricey for a piece of plastic, but whatever. I got that, and of course, I was able to hang that. And all I did was took the bolt out. I think this was a 5mm bolt, Allen head bolt. I put that back in there, which, like I said, it's tight, not going nowhere. And I put a little bit of Loctite on that bolt, just because there was already Loctite on it, but I wanted to make sure that it was going to stay good and tight. And then I hung my bell. So I appreciate my brother getting that for me. I think that's pretty cool, but that's where I hung it. Like I said, under other spots work, but I thought that was pretty good for being low and not super on the nose and kind of out of the way. So yeah, like I said, guys, short video. It's just anything I do to the bike, I'm going to bring you guys a video if I can. So that's where I hung my gremlin bell or my guardian bell, whatever you want, whatever you call it. Like I said, it's just a nice little place to hang it, but you need the hanger. So anyway, leave likes, comments, share these videos, guys. I'm getting more and more subs. I appreciate it. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And until next video.